The Magic Pencil. Tom was a little boy who loved to draw. He wanted to be an artist, but there was one problem. He thought he wasn't good enough. One day, his grandfather gave him an old pencil. "This is a magic pencil," he said. "Anything you draw with it will become better and better." Tom was excited. He started drawing a tree. At first, it looked simple, but he remembered his grandfather's words and kept drawing. Every day, he practiced with the magic pencil. Weeks passed. One day, his teacher saw his drawings. "Tom, this is amazing," she said. "You have real talent." Tom smiled. Then he looked at the pencil and realized something. The pencil was just a normal pencil. The magic was inside him. From that day, he never doubted himself again. He understood that practice makes everything better. Message: believe in yourself and keep practicing. Improvement comes with effort, not magic.